Okay, so this is take 3 on the steps of DNA extraction from your mouth hole. And before you do this, you're going to need yourself a few things. You're going to need yourself a little bit of water with the salt in it for your swish and your spit. You're going to need some your handy dandy dish soap, and you're going to need a little bit of salt for that swish and water too. You're going to need a cup for your DNA spit and juices, as science types like to call it spit and juices. It's politically correct. And you're going to need yourself some propyl alcohol, moonshine. I don't know. It's alcohol. Okay, so the first step to this is you're going to take your little scoop full of salt and you're going to dump it in there, not make a mess. You're going to stir it in until it's nice and dissolved. About right. You're going to take yourself a little swig. Yep, you swish around for about a minute, which is about how long I did it. That's some of the nastiest stuff I've ever put in my mouth. And from here, you're going to take yourself your handy dish soap and you're going to pour a nice little drop into that little concoction you got going there. And what the soap is going to do is once it mixes in with all your spitting juices and the electrons, electrodes, and such or call its form, it's going to break down your cell membrane there around the protozoa and the bacterium and release the DNA from inside. So once it's in there, you're going to give it a little bit of swish. You don't want to agitate the DNA juices too much. And while that's doing its thing, you're going to take your little purple food dye. You're going to put about 1 to 2 drops inside your alcohol. Just 1 or 2 or 12. That also works. Okay, now we're going to screw the top on that. Done with that. You take your other scooper, which you've been having conveniently over here for your disclosure, and you're going to stir this up till it's nice and dark and you can't even see through it. That's good for science. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to mix the 2 drinks together. And what the alcohol is going to do to your little spitting drink here is going to pull the DNA away from the rest of the juices. That way it looks like strings, you know? Like little tiny worms. You're going to mix the alcohol. Not gonna miss. And from here, you're going to stir it just a little bit. It's a little tender. Okay. That's science. You let that sit for about 2 to 5 minutes or seconds. And if you look real closely there at the DNA spitting juices, you can't see a thing because we didn't follow the directions. Make sure to follow the directions. About time, kids.